hello, my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Ogbonge people, oh, another one don't happen again. No, another one don't shell again. My darling people, this one shock me. Oh, hey. Girls, wey dey wan date two boys, mona use this one take learn no. I say make I drive my bicycle enter Facebook, now I see this video, now I say like my darling people, this girl dey friend boy, him boyfriend dey take care of am o, he come follow another guy. He follow another guy come bar. E be like say the boyfriend get information say him babe dey here. Na the boy just come there, come disgrace the girl. He give the girl the disgrace of her life. My darling people, when me I see the video just now, I shocked her life 10 times. So I say, what did they happen? What when I say make I watch this video where now I see the boy just they comot the girl hair when he buy for Rambo. He comot the girl shoe join now. The boy where the girl dey with the boy just off his shift comot. He just waka leave the girl. Only the girl now sit down. Even people dey there, they say, bros, please now. Why this girl want to go out with honorary leg? He just give the girl public disgrace. Hey, my darling people, I go pull the video more na siamo. This one shockalize me. This one shocked me when I see him. What did they happen now? Our guests of nowadays. What did they worry una? What did be una stress? What did be una problem? What did be una problem? Why e be say una go get better boy wey dey give una money, una go leave and go dey look for another guy dey go? Okay, see wetin this guy now, this girl now, the disgrace wey he put for himself now. That boy now go leave and maybe that one no even know say he get boyfriend. How you go get boy wey dey take care of you, go dey meet another guy? Maybe this boy now follow am for back, he's off with trace am, now he take cash am so. My ogbonge people. Like, when I see this one just now, it shocked me. I not lie you. It shocked me well. It shocked me. What did they worry our girls? What did they worry them? You get better boy where they give you money. You leave him. You go to meet another guy. If you don't want the guy again, you for just tell him. Nah. The boy trace you. Come where you dey now. I can't give you public disgrace. This public disgrace when they give you now, how you reason yourself now? Your video now don't full social media. When I know say before any small thing these days. Now video before any small thing na video just circulate, just full everywhere for social media. You know, when I say am just now, the thing it shockalize me. I not lie una because our girls really, some of them they deserve this kind of thing sometimes, but sometimes they not still deserve am. But it not good make get a date two guys at the same time. It not good, really. It not good. You will know say you get better guy where you dey follow. Wetin go make you wan go dey follow another guy? And that one, maybe you don invest for your head now. You now wan go carry your kpekus now go give another guy because that one don smile for your face now. E no good, really. E no good because I see say na anger make this guy do this thing when he do you so. Na anger. Sometimes make we still dey use our HQ. You understand? If you get better guy, use hand hold am well. But e no still good though. Make man still come dey collect wetin he buy for woman. The kpekus wey you can do, why you want to pay for the kpekus? How you want to pay for the kpekus when you go just give girl public disgrace like that for public? You just give the girl public disgrace. E no good. You will just buy something for a woman, you just come collect your I think say you be big boy. Big boy go just forget the things, he make the girl carry many shape go one corner. But you just still come, they carry the girl shoe, they carry the girl hair. What do you want to use and do now, bros? You just give the girl public disgrace. Guys, so now let me they talk to because our girls more receive sense. More they using the HQ sometimes. See this disgrace now. How you reason yourself now, you this girl? How you reason yourself? Our girl go just they follow two guys. You know good. I believe say maybe when you deal with this guy, you they receive this guy call. And this boy already cold. Say, see what you they do. Now he trace you. He trace you come that bar. You don't know. The boy trace you, say today I must find where you dey go today. Maybe you don't dey lie to this guy since I they trace you, I catch you. He just put the girl shoe, he pull, disgrace, eh? The disgrace part 2, not they, my jolly people. Part 2, not they, oh. When me I see him, even the thing there, he shocked me 10 times. He shocked me. Shocked me. He shocked me. Our girls. Now because of una they do this video, now when they date two guys at the same time, oh. Now the result, oh, boys not the verse, oh. Boys not want even leave their things where they buy for woman again this time, oh. Boys the verse, guys the verse. They're the verse, like seriously. Eh? Before this guy could just get that mind, that morale, say today I must collect the things when I buy for this girl. You know, say the boy don't hear many things. Yes. You never know I want to tell you. It's just the bear and say, till the day when he go catch you. And maybe the guy be love you now, but you don't come give yourself public disgrace now. How you can't reason yourself now? No good. If you date one guy, just stay with that guy. If you tire you, tell him say you don't want again. Instead when you go to date two guys at the same time. It's no good. You understand? If they do unto your own brother, how you go reason now? How you go reason and say you don't spend for that your brother, your everything they okay. The next thing you can't go. It's not good. You understand? It's not good. Oh, see they use our HQ sometimes, and I understand. Eh? This kind of public disgrace now. How you can reason now? How you reason yourself now? If they date two guys at the same time. Eh? My darling people, how una reason this matter? Una way they watch me so. How una reason them? This public disgrace where this boy give this girl a good thing. How una reason the matter? This public disgrace, this girl really deserve am. I know say many guys go vex for this still, oh. You go say the boy do well, but as a big boy, you're not supposed to collect the things when you buy for your baby, because you too you see enter Jerusalem tired. I mean you no enter. You enter Jerusalem, the guy give you ikbekus, so why you can't just come the collect things when you buy for girl? I say big boy, your boof and Susie and say I say no need, me just carry on with that guy then. Bye bye. Now so. For you to call you the carry things when you buy for girl, you get be. You get be. What do you worry go say? Use your HQ. Use your account. Thank you, everybody, my darling people. Please always subscribe on my video and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video and share. Help me to share my videos. Thank you. Bye. So anything you think about the video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Bye.